my name is Thomas and in this video I will be showing you how to connect hosting with domain. I will be using GoDaddy as both the hosting and domain provider. So go to your web browser and type godaddy.com. I have already signed in, so my profile will appear here. Click the drop down under the profile name and click on My Products. Under All Products and Services, you can see the domain and hosting which I have bought. Click on Manage near the hosting option. A model box opens, prompting the user to opt in for the customer experience program. Click on the Close button. Go back to the previous tab and copy domain name you have bought. The next step is to choose a data center. Choose Asia as it is recommended. Choose WordPress and click Next. The next step is to provide a username and password for your WordPress website. Submit these details. Now GoDaddy will install WordPress in your hosting server. This process will take some time. Go back to Manage My Product and under Domain select the DNS option. As you can see, these are the DNS records that is associated with this domain. After the provisioning step, GoDaddy will provide you with a list of DNS records to be added to existing records. Click on the pencil icon near the record and you can modify an existing record. Continue replacing these records. The delete button can delete the particular DNS record. Do note that the DNS changes will take up to 24 hours to take effect. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe and wait for our following videos.